Hey guys, I'm going to start some unboxing videos. This is the 5 that I'm going to do, and today we are going to start with that one right there. This one is called Firework Storm Shock by TNT. Alright, let's get this started. Okay.
Ooh.
So this is something new in this pack. Some little novelty cars. Normally they do not have those, they just have more flashing fountains or something like crappy or whatever. So this is different. This is pretty cool. And of course the flashing fountains. We have fireflies, more flashing fountains, tequila pop fountain, diamond cutter fountain, jade flowers fountain, jitterbug fountain, June bugs, rainbow trout, crystal fountain,
And the last one.
and last, pyro fan. Alright, do a little shot of everything here in one. So that's what you get for $9.99.
Where'd you get this?
Believe I got this at Target. It was either Target or Stop and Shop, but I believe it was Target. So that is the Storm Shock by TNT, and hope you guys stick around for the next few days because I got more to go.